Here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Grog. Okay, so what is Grog, right? So we can ask to them itself why Grog. Okay, so Grog is a mission to set the standard for generative AI inference speed, helping a real-time AI applications come to life today. Okay, so Grok is not a LLM. They are providing a environment to execute the different LLMs, and they are actually using LPUs. Okay, so LPUs are invented by Grok, and they are actually a hardware company. Okay, so LPU means language processing unit, which will helps to execute the NLP tasks very fast. Okay, so one of the advantages is that they are providing low latency, their speed is very high, and even it is speed is faster than the chat gpt. So we can do some experiment. Okay, then they are providing two categories. One is Grok cloud, and they are also providing a option to Grok chat. Okay, so we are able to check on the Grok chat. I mean, you guys can go and type the grok.com. Okay, so you will get a chat interface. Here we will able to log in. So I have logged into this one, or even it's not mandatory, but login is needed to integrate this with Langchain. Okay, and here I can type this one. Okay, see the speed. Okay, this is really fast. Okay, currently they have integrated 3 or 4 models. One is Gamma 7 Llama 3 7 billion and 8 billion, or Mistral is also connected. So these are the 4 LLM models that they are using. I can switch to maybe Llama. Okay, so now let me refresh it. So currently it is, I can check this. Okay, so I will easily switch this one. Okay, I can ask why Grok. Okay, so as such, like, we will able to use it freely. Okay, so they are not charging it yet. So this is very helpful for us to do the tryouts and our experiment. Okay, so we can do like without any cost. Okay, now once, as I mentioned, you can log into the chat application. Then here can come to the security. At the footer you will be able to see security. So click on the security, then API access. Okay, go to playground. Here we will have a menu, right? API key menu is there. Okay, just click on the create API key, then you will get a API key for that. Similar to all other LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini, they are providing the APIs, right? Similar to API keys, right? Similar to that, Groq is also providing the API key. We can use that. Okay, so I have opened a Collab notebook. Here I will demonstrate how can we use Grog with Langchain. Okay, so I have created an environment file, or environment variable is created. I have assigned that key to this environment. So the environment variable is called Grog underscore API underscore key. Okay, then Langchain is providing a installation, like a package is providing. So we need to install that. That is pip install Langchain Grog. Okay, so let me execute this. So in my case, requirement is already set. Good. So what we can do next, we can import the prompt template. So from Langchain core, we can import the prompt template. Okay, so we will have the prompt template. Then we can import the model also. Okay. So no module Langchain core. Okay. Again something went wrong. Let me check this. Small spelling mistake. I'm correcting this. Yep, we are good. Now we can create a model first. Okay, I can create a chat Grok. Here I can set the temperature. temperature value is between 0 to 1. Okay, so we can make it 0, so it will be more general one. So model name. Okay, so I'm going to use this model. First let me use the Mistral 8 cross 7 billion 32768. Okay, so I can say that Mistral 7 billion 32678. Okay, so let me execute this. Okay, so model is available. Okay, 8 cross 7 billion 32. Okay, not 678, 768. Okay, fine. Now we can create a prompt. Okay, so first system prompt. It is a you are a helpful assistant, very simple one. Okay, now I can set the human here. I can text as it can be set as text. Now we will have the prompt chat prompt template dot from messages. Okay, here we will have first system message, which will be system. Now we have a human message, this will be human, right? Okay, so once the prompt is ready, we can create a chain. Okay, chain will be prompt, then we will have chain. No, we will have chat or model. So once that is ready, white state. Okay, now here I can invoke this. I can say that I can say text. Now I can ask something, right? So here I'm going to ask explain the importance of low latency LLM. Here there is a correction is needed. Human. Let me execute this again. Execute again. Then I am going to invoke chain dot invoke. Okay, we are getting some error. Okay, model is not found. 32768. Okay, so Mistral. Okay, I think there is MIXTRIL. MIX. Okay, X. I'm adjusting the name. Okay, just a spell mistake. I'm trying to run it again. Yep. So here we got the output. Okay, so here this is the content they are providing. Okay, so this is actually fast. You can try this. Okay, so relatively fast. So I can try with any model, not any model. I can try with any of these 4 models, and I can try different things with Grog. Okay, so this is cool. So I will upload this notebook to my GitHub repository. You guys can freely use that. So ensure that you created your own Groq API key. So I will be deactivating this API key. Okay, so I explained. So this is free. Just go and create it. Okay, do like your own experiment. So that will help you to learn faster. Okay, so that is all about in this video. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.